Hello and welcome. Welcome to the inside of the monitor of a PET 2001 32 8 B. B. All right in front of you, what I've zoomed in on, is the connector in question. I left this machine on for a good while, and indeed, it then started to lose itself again. So I'm going to take this little screwdriver, which is not so little. Oh, I'm already having conflict with the tripod. And I'm going to lift that up a bit. And now that I have it lifted up a bit, not easy. Don't want to touch bad things here. I'm going to pull it by the wires and pull it out. And then, oh yeah, I'm going to, oh, there's one. No, that's a cover. Okay. I'm going to take it away a little bit and spray some deoxit in, and then spray some deoxit on the actual pins. Use my hand. And then I'm going to put this back in and work it around a bit. Because I really think what we're dealing with is indeed micro corrosion. Right, Penny? Micro corrosion. So I have done that. It took a lot of effort to do that. Let's back out a bit and look around. So here we have the board that goes to the CRT. And there it is. Inside the back of the PET there. Oh, wait a second. Wait just a second. There is a critical thing right there. That off to the right side is the flyback transformer. It is indeed. And there's a whole lot of other stuff in there. Right in front of us. Whoa. Right there, right next to the connector that I just went at, that is the brightness control thing that sticks out the back. And if it gets broken, of course, you can always open it up and give it a little twist. But generally speaking, once you've got it set, it's pretty much set. I don't know if there are other available things to tweak and twist in here. I'm really not a monitor person. Oh, wait, there's one. Aha. That thing there, that little dude, is another thing. A potentiometer of sorts that I suppose it must do something. What does it do? Well, maybe it's the screen size or the screen height or something. I think I have adjusted it on one at one point. I think maybe it's the screen height. Anyway, they do say, danger, danger, high voltage, danger, danger. And indeed, this tube employs something. Integral implosion protection. Replace with a tube of the same type number for continued safety. That is reassuring. Yes, it is. Cathode ray tube. Remember, this thing is, coming up on 50 years old. I wonder if I can. Oh, there's the sticker things in there. There they are. Yep. Anyway, 50 years old, still hanging on strong. I have never really taken one of these tremendously apart, but it could happen at some point, but I'm not looking forward to it. Anyway, we'll back out, move down, back right out, and then say there. There it is, the innards of the monitor of the Commodore PET. And all I did right now was mess with one connector. Just one. And because I thought it was fine. I had to tweak the connector, but it wasn't fine. It wasn't fine. It was not. Because it started to go bad again. So I thought, okay, it's time to bite the bullet. I did talk to Rudy from Rudy's Retro Intel. He says, yeah, it's fine, 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 it's fine. It's off to the side there. Just, be careful. So I was careful. The deoxit is done. And now we'll see if that has cleared it all up, or if there's always a possibility there's a funky wire or a funky connection or something else. But I hope not. Anyway, thanks for coming, and I hope you enjoyed your visit to the inside of the backside of this PET model 2001-32B, made in the USA, serial number 1805016. That's about all I have to say about that. Bye for now.